Aloha and mahalo. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This week for Appies with Chappie by the Lake, we're going to make Char Sui Pork Sushi. So sit back, relax, pour yourself a drink. Me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode. I'm going to do a little Appies with Chappie by the Lake over there. First up, I'm going to make a drink. Today we're going to do a high roller. So I got a little ice in the glass. We're going to go 1.5 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of OJ, an ounce of grenadine, that's the fanciest of the orange liqueurs, and then it says a splash of grenadine. I'm just going to substitute some maraschino cherry juice. And I have an orange wedge as a garnish. Oh, that's fantastic. I think that is Appies with Chappie worthy. So we're going to do some Appies to go with this high roller. I'm going to make some Char Sui Pork Sushi and see here how I make my sushi.
Appies with Chappie by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.